Alright.
It's been real good.
Okay, last day, we're leaving. Bye. Bye, Dockside.
Bye, Dockside. You're so good.
So we're taking the Uber to go to Magic Kingdom, which is a Disney park, because we're checking out of this place today, but our parents will move everything else. So. We're here now. Our Uber just dropped us off. Magic Kingdom today. We gotta take a train to get to Magic Kingdom. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. It's gonna take a while.
Oh, resort, Kimmy. No.
Oh, which one? Na-excite siya sa train. Na alam naman namin na iti-take natin.
Napag-usapan na namin.
Parang nagulat pa siya na parating yung train.
Finally, makakasakay na.
After 2 minutes lang naman of waiting.
Not even. May friend ko makuha siya. Nakita ka niya.
Alam niya kasi birthday ni Ate Grace. Ay, birthday pala. Happy birthday, Ate Grace.
Birthday na, nag-grapa siya. Birthday, nag-grapa siya. Ngayon, get out. Happy birthday, sex ko grapa.
We got the castle. Just got off the monorail. And it says, welcome to Magic Kingdom. We're inside Disney now. These are our tickets. Thank you so much to my cousin Marge. We're gonna go to the Chamber of Commerce to get a pin. Ah. It is hot.
Unlucky.
Hot. It's Mickey! Oh my god! Back of the castle is kind of quiet because there's still a show going on. Kat's first time at Disney ever. First is the Haunted Mansion, 25-minute wait.
Check up na agad. Emergency.
Damn, no. Okay, now we're going to Ariel. We're gonna go to Tomorrowland today. Going on last floor right now. It's so freaking hot today. 34 degrees. Wow. Yeah. Happy birthday to Grace.
Happy birthday, Sis Dam Grasha. Yes, yes.
The view.
In opinion.
I gotta. Hey.
Ooh, shower.
Pirates of the Caribbean. We're here now sa Tiki Room. Maraming nasa Hawaii.
All together in the tiki 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 room, in the tiki 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 room.
Okay, there we go. Floats. Ito yung new ride ng Disney. Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Yan. Ganda. Ganda! Ang init!
Dali. Picture na.
Ah.
Selfie na.
Oh. Diyan kami sasakay. Hey. Almost there. Almost there. Yeah!
That's it.
Right now we're riding the new ride, Tiana's Bayou, I don't know, something like that. Sa loob na kami. Yung mga achievement ni Tiana. Look at that. We are here now. Aray ko. Where are we? On the train. Choo-choo train. Where to go? Where is it going? Choo-choo train. Where is it going? Where is it going? Going to the front. Going to the front.
Anong station yun?
Nandito kami kanina. Here. So we're gonna go to EPCOT right now because we have a park hopper. So we're gonna take the monorail and then get off at a station and then get on another monorail. So yeah, and then we're just gonna walk around really quickly sa EPCOT, and then after that we're gonna come back here to ride the other rides that we didn't ride yet and for the fireworks. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. Yay.
Thank you. When boarding, please move.
This is the transfer to EPCOT now. Init nga. 35 pala ang highest ngayon, kaya ang super init today. We're here now at EPCOT. Okay, we're now at EPCOT. Ano? Yeah. May fingerprint yung ticket nila dito, guys. So, hindi nyo pwedeng, madaya. Now, we're gonna go here. I don't know what this is. You know.
Oh my god, that was unreal. I missed them. They don't even look real.
Synchronous sounds, synchronous swimming.
Soaring's right now 40 minutes. Wow.
It's like a ocean park. This is the World Showcase place. It's the Canada one. Now we are in London, I think. Okay, that's Paris. I think. Is it Paris? Probably Paris. And then over there, there's Tokyo. Not sure which country this is now. No. Oh, sorry. Morocco na pala. Ayan. Ganda ng Morocco. We should go to Morocco. We're in Japan now. Nice. Okay, we're in America now, which is where we actually are. So, okay, Italy now. My feet are hurting so much, guys, so much. But here we are. Okay, now we're in Germany. I think this is Germany. I'm not sure. Now I don't know where we are. Not sure. Okay, now we're in China. They have a lot for China. Vikings. I don't know where Vikings are from, but oh, maybe Ireland? I don't know. We've made it to Mexico. We're almost out. So we're back to Magic Kingdom to watch the fireworks. So yeah. So we're just waiting for the fireworks. There's 15 minutes left. It was such a struggle to get here, my God. Alright, it's gonna start soon.
Watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to.
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on.
We just watched the fireworks. It was really good. I didn't take a video because, you know, I wanted to watch it, not vlog it. So if you want to watch it, there's a lot of videos of it on YouTube. So yeah. All right, we're gonna ride Space Mountain right now. It's Main Street Disney. Our last thing that we're doing for the day is eat. Then we're gonna go to our hotel. Our feet hurt so much.
Lumipat pala kami ng hotel.
Yeah, lumipat na kami. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Disney Resort. I think it's called Swan. Pero yeah. Anyways, kain muna kami. Okay.
Alright guys, pauwi na kami. And naubusan na naman tayo ng boses. But, yeah. Anong oras na ba? 11:30 na, magta-12 na dito ngayon. Pauwi pa lang kami sa hotel. I-figure out pa namin kung paano kami makakapunta sa hotel. Kasi, hindi pa namin alam. So, thank you everyone for watching. See you sa next vlog namin. Bye!